Hey, what's up, guys? I got this Nature's Dome pest control because I do a lot of my recording and product reviews and stuff down here in the basement. It's where my desk is at or my office is at, and I don't have a finished ceiling. So lately I've been noticing like little spiders and stuff all over the place. I got tired of them falling on me because I hate spiders. So I got this stuff. I just kind of sprayed it in my ceiling around where I do my work at. I've noticed a huge difference since I've done that about a week ago or so. I haven't been seeing little spiders hanging out of the ceiling. I haven't been walking through tons of webs. Obviously really good there. I did find one of the bigger spiders on the wall, and I sprayed it because I was curious if it actually did its job. So I wanted to be able to see right away. So I sprayed it and definitely looked like it did its job. So I was impressed with that. I also noticed that in the rest of my basement where I didn't spray this stuff, I am seeing a lot more kind of spider webs. I guess that's kind of a bittersweet thing. So didn't spray the entire thing, so where I did spray, definitely improvement, but I did see that there was more, I'll say more activity of spiders in other places in the basement. So, simple fixes. I need to go through and use this stuff and spray the whole basement. It does have a smell to it. I'll say it is a little bit strong, but it didn't bother me. No one in the house outside of the basement noticed it, so I only smelled it in the basement. And it didn't bother me for what it did for me. I'm definitely happy with it, and it's not a bad smell. I actually kind of like the smell. It can be a little bit strong, but I like it. I like the product. It's supposed to be kind of a natural thing. It's a made in the US product. So, definitely cool. It definitely does its job, and I'm happy with it.